Hey guys, it's Mary Beth from My Fearless Kitchen. Thanks so much for joining us in our weekly newsletter. I'm traveling this week, a little bit for work and a little bit for fun, but since I'm out of town, I don't have a whole lot of brand new recipes to share with you this week. So instead, I've brought a few things out of our vault. These are tried and true family favorites and reader favorites too. So make sure that you check out our Instant Pot chicken and dumplings, perfect comfort food. We've got cheeseburger cups, which are great for even your pickiest eater. So if you've got little kids at home, you'll want to give these a try. And then finally, I've brought back our post about breaking down 5 food myths. I've been getting these questions a lot lately. So if you've ever had a question about food, you've heard something that you're not sure if it's true or not, make sure you check out that 3rd post in this email. You can get to all of them by either clicking on the pictures or the big red button that says click here for the recipe. Or if you're not ready for it yet, just click the button that says pin it for later and you can save it right to Pinterest. Thanks so much, guys. Have a good Friday.